Hi students, welcome. Today in this video session we will learn about one of the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene, that is nitration. In our recent videos already we learned about chlorination of benzene, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation as well sulfonation with their mechanism. So coming to this class we will discuss about nitration of benzene. So here what about the reaction mixture and what about the mechanism we will discuss in detail. So for the nitration of benzene, so what about the substrates? Here benzene ring, and here to get a nitrobenzene, that is benzene which having a NO2 substituent, So to get this nitrobenzene, what about the reagents here? So benzene reacting with these reagents and we are getting nitrobenzene. So here simple, the reagents are mixture of concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4, mixture of concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4. We will get nitrobenzene. Along with this nitrobenzene we will get a mole of H2SO4 plus water molecule. So this is a common reaction path. So before going to discuss about mechanism, see here this is a benzene ring which is a 6-membered cyclic ring, follows aromatic rules. So obviously it's a aromatic compound. Absence of any substituent. See, these are benzene which having a 6 carbons with the 6 hydrogens. Each carbon gives sp2 hybridization. Actually, if that benzene having a substituent, if the benzene shows any substituent on that one of the carbons, then based on the group, whether it's electron donating group or withdrawing group, that electrophile, whatever the electrophile, example here NO2 electrophile is there. So based on the substituent on the benzene ring, this electrophile is going to select a particular carbon. Example, if electron donating group is there on benzene, obviously presence of electron donating group, the benzene ring involves in a particular directional resonance, and it gives ortho para positions become electron rich. That means presence of electron donating group, due to the resonance in the ring we will get ortho para positions become electron rich. So obviously whatever the electrophile is there, that electrophile is going to attack at ortho para. If that electron withdrawing group present on the benzene, due to the electron withdrawing group and the resonance, we will get ortho para positions become electron deficient. So there we have only one choice, that is meta position. So whatever the electrophile is there, that electrophile is going to substitute at meta position. So here in this compound it's only simple benzene, not substituted. So you can select any one of these 6 hydrogen to substitute nitro group, because absence of substitute, no need of select a particular carbon, no need of regio selectivity. Simply here we have a 6 hydrogens, you just substitute any one of these 6 hydrogens with NO2. That means I am just removing this hydrogen as a H plus, substituting NO2 plus, that is called electrophilic substitution reaction. So to get a nitrobenzene, this is a reaction mixture. So now I am taking a mechanism. See here concentrated H2SO4 plus HNO3. See a nitrogen which having one coordination bond and one pi bond, sigma bond, and here we have one sigma bond with OH. So this is a HNO3 molecule. This is undergoes self ionization like H2SO4. Both are acidic. See here H2SO4 generates H plus. H plus means oxygen to hydrogen bond get cleaved heterolytically and we will get H plus. That H plus is abstracted by this oxygen's lone pair. So we will get the next fragments like here nitrogen bonded to oxygen having a 2 hydrogens. So because of using that one lone pair, one electron is donated to hydrogen, it gets positive charge. Remaining bonds are as it is. So here actually nitrogen shows plus oxygen shows nitrogen. Along with this, here we have SO4H minus, SO4H minus. See here, this is a fragment from here. This H2SO4 donated one hydrogen, that is H plus, towards nitric acid, that is HNO3. We got this intermediate. Now this oxygen with three bonds, it's unstable. To stabilize, to relieve that positive charge, to get its lone pair, to retain the lone pair, see here, this bond is going to cleave heterolytically. So these pi electron, these non-bond electrons are shifting towards oxygen to nitrogen, and nitrogen to oxygen bond electrons are shifted to oxygen, heterolytic cleavage. Now here oxygen retains its lone pair, so removal of water molecule. So obviously we are getting here, see, N double bond O and double bond O with positive charge. So this is the electrophile. This is a electrophile which is nitro group, So I am taking this electrophile and substituting in one of these 6 hydrogens position, So what about the substitution mechanism, that we will discuss here. So this is a common generation of electrophile. Now I am taking this electrophile and I am substituting on a benzene ring. Here I am taking the mechanism, otherwise I am writing here. So here this is a benzene ring. See, it's not a substituted benzene, it's a only benzene. All the 6 hydrogens are available to substitute that NO2, that is electrophile. I am selecting this carbon, means the hydrogen which is bonded to this carbon. So here, before going to substitute that NO2, see here, first any one of these pi bond electrons undergoes electromeric effect, and these pi electrons are shifted to one side, that is called electromeric effect, and this carbon gets positive charge, see here, and this is the negative charge. So when we are taking that electrophile, obviously this bond shifts towards one carbon, it's become negative. Negative means here we have 2 electrons. So simply here there is a NO2 plus, which is electrophilic in nature, abstract electrons from this carbon. See here we have a carbon to nitrogen new sigma bond. We are getting carbon to nitrogen new sigma bond. As soon as these pi electrons, that means non-bond electrons attacking this nitrogen, this one of 2 oxygens pi bond shifted towards oxygen, then we will get the intermediate, like, see here, this carbon with positive charge, here pi bond, here pi bond. Now we got a new bond between carbon to nitrogen, here double bond O, see here oxygen minus nitrogen as usual plus. So here we substituted, means we just formed bond between carbon to nitrogen. Still hydrogen is there, Now see here, the positive charge with conjugation, undergoes resonance to stabilize the carbocation, So for that, this carbon with positive charge having a conjugation, to stabilize this carbocation, these pi electrons are shifted here. That means participating in a resonance. These pi electrons are shifted here. This is the bond forming between carbon to carbon pi bond, and here we will get positive charge. So this is the next step. Here we have a pi bond, here plus charge. This as usual NO2 is there, hydrogen is as it is. Now this pi bond shifted to here, and we will get positive charge at this carbon, See, this carbon gets positive charge, and here pi bond, here pi bond. Now N double bond O minus N plus. It's a NO2 group. See here, now this hydrogen undergoes elimination. Carbon to hydrogen sigma bond. This is actually adjacent to carbocation, also called alpha carbon. So here the hydrogen on alpha carbon undergoes hyperconjugation. That means simply carbon to hydrogen sigma bond become carbon to carbon pi bond, and here this carbon getting neutral. And what about this hydrogen coming out as a H plus, minus H plus, and we are getting a major product, that is nitrobenzene. That is nitrobenzene. Here pi bond, here pi bond, and here we got NO2. So this is the nitrobenzene. And what about this H plus? This H plus is neutralizes HSO4 minus. HSO4 minus, which we got while generating electrophile. So that H plus with HSO4 minus plus H plus, it's become H2SO4. So here this is a byproduct. Simply see here, this is a reaction mixture, benzene, the mixture of concentrated concentrated HNO3, H2SO4, we are getting nitrobenzene. This is a nitrobenzene. And what about the byproduct? It's a H2SO4 and H2O. Already we got here, we generated H2SO4. So this is the reaction path and mechanism to get nitrobenzene. So what about the first step? First we are generating NO2 electrophile, that means here HNO3 with a H2SO4, we are getting this intermediate. So on removal of H2O water molecule, we generated NO2 plus, which is called electrophile. Along with this we got HSO4 minus, because see here H plus is donated towards this oxygen. So here we will get this fragment like SO4H minus. So in the next step we are taking this nitro group, that is electrophile, and we are substituting in this way. So this is a mechanism to substitute NO2 group. So finally we got nitrobenzene and H2SO4. Along with that we got water molecule. So this is the nitration of benzene reaction with mechanism. So I hope you understand well nitration of benzene. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, share, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. Thank you.